Hi, I'm Sam from Federal Brace, here to show you wood corbels featuring metal trim accents. The corbels are available in several sizes and styles. They come in a raw maple, ready to be painted or stained. They feature metal trim for accenting and include a corbel rib with a 375-pound carry capacity. These wood corbels are perfect for countertop overhangs, mantels, shelves, cabinets, and range hoods. Each complete kit includes one corbel rib, mounting fasteners, metal trim, and high-strength adhesive. Let's go take a look at how to put one together. Thank you for watching this video on wood corbels with metal trim accents. For more product information and innovations from Federal Brace, subscribe to our channel. We will see you next time.